Masters Learning Center, and IvyMasters.com. And today we're going to look at the fifth question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2B. This is the hardest set of reading and writing questions. When you see paired passages, how do you want to approach them? You want to read passage 1. Determine the main idea of passage 1, and before you go to read passage 2, when you determine that main idea, then you want to see what they're similar or different. Usually they're different, and there might be some similarity. But let's go to the question and see what this one has in store for us. Based on the text, how would Graeber and Wengrow in passage 2 respond to conventional wisdom presented in text 1? So I want to pay attention specifically what the conventional wisdom is. And always read that question first. Now we know what to expect. What is the conventional wisdom in passage 1? And see how passage 2 would respond to it. Text 1 begins with conventional wisdom. Fantastic. Long held that human social systems evolved in stages. Beginning with hunter-gatherers, forming small bands of members with roughly status. The shift to agriculture about 12,000 years ago sparked the population growth that led to the emergence of group with hierarchical structures. So associations of clans first, then chiefdoms, and finally bureaucratic states. So what is the conventional wisdom? That social systems evolved in stages. Hunter-gatherers had equality, and then when we shifted to agriculture, then it was hierarchy, like ranking system. This is ranked higher than that. And that's after that, clans, chief, bureaucratic states. And then text 2. In the 2021 book, anthropologist David Graeber and archaeologist David Wengrow maintain that humans have always been socially flexible. Alternately forming systems based on hierarchy and collective ones decentralized leadership. So if it's hierarchy, then it's the second thing that text one was talking about. If it's decentralized leadership, then is there a hierarchy? I mean, it's more like the hunter-gatherer status stuff. Then the last sentence. The authors point to as far back as 50,000 years ago. Some hunter-gatherers adjusted their social structure seasonally. At times dispersing in small groups. So that would be like the equality, decentralized small groups. But also assembling in communities that included esteemed. That would be like the hierarchy, the ranking. So whereas conventional wisdom would be like, hey, we start with over here is your hunter-gatherers, your equality, and then we evolved to agriculture, which made hierarchy and ranking. And then text two is more like it's kind of cyclical. So we've got maybe hierarchy over here, like esteemed individuals, and then over here we've got equality or decentralized leadership. But it circles back. Let's go to the passage. So you always want to predict your answer. Conventional wisdom. What would text 2 say about that conventional wisdom? I'd say that text 2 is generally going to say that it's wrong because it alternates. It's not like from conventional wisdom being the hunter-gatherers and equality to hierarchy. Answer choice A, by conceding. Now, if you know conceding means admitting. So right off the bat, I don't like answer choice A because text 2 is not like they found something that proved text 1 correct. So it's probably not conceding or admitting the importance of hierarchical systems. It's not focused on importance. It's not saying one system's more important than the other. It's just saying how they've evolved. Hierarchical systems, but asserting a greater decentralized collective society. So passage 2 does mention decentralized societies, but that would be more like the equality discussed in passage 1. And no one's saying that one's the other. It's just how it's evolved. by disputing. That sounds good. Because they mostly disagree than agree. By disputing the idea that developmental social structures follow the linear progression. That's exactly what we have up here. Linear progression from equality to hierarchy. Disputing that the ideas of social structures have followed a linear progression through distinct ages. Yeah, that actually looks good because text 2 is more like it's cyclical. It goes from one to the other, socially flexible. Interest C. By acknowledging that hierarchical roles weren't a part of social systems before the rise of agriculture. That's not true. Because in passage 2, he's saying 50,000 years ago, which is before the rise of agriculture. It says agriculture came in 12,000 before the rise of agriculture. And the esteemed individuals, that's like the hierarchy. So he would say that hierarchical roles were a part of the social system before the rise of agriculture. So they were part 50,000 years ago when they're hunter-gatherers. Interest D. By challenging the assumption that grouping of hunter-gatherers were among the earliest forms of social structure. That's wrong as well. Challenges to argue against. Not arguing against. Groupings of hunter-gatherers were among the earliest forms of social structure. Because it's talking about hunter-gatherers 50,000 years ago. That's the earliest states mentioned here. So the correct answer is going to be B. By arguing the idea that developments in social structures have followed a linear progression through ages. So it's not true that we go from equality to hierarchy. Text 2, Graeber and Wengrow would say that we alternate because even within the hunter-gatherer society, you can see sometimes they're in small groups, sometimes they have individuals, so sometimes it's decentralized like equality, and then sometimes it's hierarchy like those esteemed individuals. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. Share it with someone who has difficulty with these reading comprehension passages, particularly paired passages. If there's any question you'd like answered from SAT or PSAT or ACT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1 minute video. They're going to be below these videos on the playlist. So if you're at ibmasters.com on YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center on YouTube, go to digital test module 2, the harder set of writing questions. The shorter questions are the videos below the longer questions. Have a great day.